The future of leadership is transformative. The world is changing, and leadership needs to change with it. It's about creating bold visions, fostering deep connections, and leading with vulnerability and presence. It's about transforming not just yourself, but everyone you lead. Growth feels good. Leaders, the time is now. Your team doesn't need another manager. We certainly don't need a micromanager. They need a visionary, a connector, and a compassionate guide. The old way of leading won't cut it in this new world. So let's be the leaders who transform ourselves, our teams, and our organization. The culture of an organization is only as evolved as its people. And it's time to become aware of the evolution happening within each employee so that it impacts a culture of transformation.